Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Modern English with Sana. Today our topic is daily used sentences. First we have allow me यानी मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. इसकी एग्जाम्पल है allow me to teach मुझे पढ़ाने की इजाज़त दें. Next we have don't move हिलना मत. Don't move या फिर do not move. Next we have don't ask me मेरे से मत पूछो या फिर do not ask me. Next we have stay away दूर रहो. Stay away. Next we have who came कौन आया. So viewers यहाँ पे come की second form यूज की गई है. come, came, come because यहाँ पे past की बात हो रही है. who came. Next we have who knows कौन जाने. who knows. Next we have finish it इसे ख़त्म करो. Finish it. Next we have stop there वहीं रुक जाओ. Stop there. Next we have speak something कुछ बोलो. Speak something या फिर say something. Speak something या फिर say something कुछ बोलो. Next we have let's go out चलो बाहर चलें. Let's go out या फिर let's go चलो चलें. Let's go. Next we have excellent बहुत खूब. Excellent. Do it ये करो. Do it. Got it समझ गया. Got it. That's true ये सच है. That's true या फिर that is true. Next we have be ready तैयार रहो. Be ready. So viewers आप इसको जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आपकी इंग्लिश उतनी ज़्यादा बेहतर होगी. See you next time.